गोयचे लोक थंडसाणेन रावतात तशेंच कायद्याचें पालन करतात. ताका लागून वेंचणूक आयोगाक गोंयांत निव्वळ वेंचणुको घेवपाक खूब मदत जाली अशें मुख्य निवडणूक अधिकारी कुणाल हांणी दिल्या. आर्डिक्स गोवान घेतिल्ले खासा मुलाखतींत ते उलयताले. आर्डिक्स गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
Election Commission doesn't make law, but law is made by Parliament.
Yes.
Here right now the voting is, the choice is given to the voter. It is not mandatory for everyone to come and cast vote. So that way we also work in the boundaries of the law. So whatever law mandates we do. Right now the mandate of law is to educate voters to ensure that all facilities are there at the polling station. And I would say Goa, like participation 80% above is very good.
But actually, but election commission should feel that it should be 100% or somewhere nearing 98, 90.
Like I was personally trying that it should reach 90%, and somewhere it has definitely reached. And wherever it has not reached, we will look into that reason and also strategize for the next election. See, when we like 255 MCC violation cases were there, so that in every matter like some inquiry either been taken or some FIR has been filed. So that way this is the statistically significant number. And then exactly what action is taken, that it's a matter of investigation, I would say. Once FIR is filed, so then investigation, how it is pointing out, it's for judiciary and investigation. I would say like last year I was a district election officer in Delhi in 2015 elections. Before that I am a returning officer in Mizoram. So then Goan, I would say that first of all very peace-loving society. We didn't have major issue related to violation of model code of conduct. And people are, they follow law. That's the beauty of it. And when we launched our model code of conduct drive, they fully cooperated. I would say there were minor inconvenience, like somewhere it led to jam also. I know that barricading were there and then checkings were there. But people understood that yes, this is for them. That we are trying to establish a level playing field where there should not be any space for muscle power or money power. That I would say we were largely successful. And we have removed lots of banners. We have made, the moment election were announced, our first task was to clean up the government and public premises from the political banners.